In between. It's really difficult. I see its strong points, but I also see its weaknesses. I would say that AI could never replace a human mind in the legal field because we deal with something that is fluid, right? Such as people's personality and how to negotiate cases and things in that sense. So not every case is the same. The arguments that need to apply to each case, they change, right? I don't think that when it comes to AI in the legal field, to be specific, we would be able to solely trust AI.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're like kind of.
I'm in between.
Okay.
Some tasks of a law firm, I see that AI can be implemented as I have done with mine. For example, generating forms, um, updating documents, proofreading documents, things in that sense, right? But not for legal search, not for legal writing, not for the arguments itself, right? It can help you with clerical things, such as gathering information for a client, getting a police report, getting medical records, things in that sense, right? That will be effective in the legal field, but not directly the legal career.
So you're coming to an interesting aspect because there's been some reports that of false citations, in court rooms, that they just use AI to get some, I'm guessing, some cases that kind of like corroborate the specific case that they're
Yes.
And then it's actually not
valid.
Not a valid one, and that sometimes it's ChatGPT or so on that comes out with these cases that are like they're false, they're not actually accurate, and they're come into trouble because they show this in court.
Yes,
and it's not
exactly.
Real information.
And that's why the attorney's job is to make sure that everything is reviewed and everything is actually ready to go before filing that. It's something that we have been improving every day at my law firm. We make sure that everything not only goes through our attorneys, but also we have the paralegals well trained to be able to draft some initial drafts. And then it comes the layer of the lawyer to be able to analyze those documents and make sure they're good to go. So I understand the danger of trusting AI. You cannot blindly do so.
And especially it's brandly new. It's like what, less than 2 years or 2 years?
Exactly.
So
No, it's growing rapidly, but we are very new to this technology.
Yeah.
Right? At least in the legal field. I believe that soon enough we will have some software